Welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Tonight is a chicken night, but we're gonna do it in Hawaii tonight. We're gonna be cooking Hawaiian barbecue chicken. So let's get into these ingredients, into this recipe, and let's go to Hawaii. Let's go, guys. Hey y'all, so we already have our chicken. These are boneless, skinless thighs. I've also went ahead and seasoned them. Use all the seasonings that you desire, honey. Whatever you like, but I just use salt, pepper, parsley, paprika, seasoning blend, lemon pepper, of course. And we're gonna save our garlic powder for our little marinade that we got going on. We have some vegetable oil. We've already placed that in our skillet. It's also warm. We're gonna get ready to sear our chicken in a minute and get that brown before we put it in our crock pot. We have some soy sauce, some Worcestershire, some tomato ketchup, sweet baby raised hickory and brown sugar, barbecue sauce, and also light brown sugar. And of course, our lovely crock pot that we've already set on high, y'all. And we have some pineapples. It's gonna give us that Hawaiian islandy taste. So y'all, let's get into searing our chicken. Alright y'all, so we have our chicken in our skillet flipped over already. We're gonna season it just a little bit more with some of our original seasoning blend. I'm not gonna overdo it. We don't want this to cook all the way. We just want it to get brown on both sides. We're gonna let the crock pot do the rest, y'all. We ain't trying to do too much. Just trying to lock in some flavor. But yeah, we're gonna let that sear on both sides, y'all. And while that is cooking, let's get into this sauce that we're gonna pour on top of our chicken when we put it in our crock pot. So let's get to it. So I am using my measuring cup. You could use a bowl for our little marinade that we're going to make. So it requires half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of pineapple juice, and make sure you save the rest of those crushed pineapples for the crock pot. We have half a cup of soy sauce. We have half a cup of ketchup. And then we are going to take some Worcestershire sauce. Just do a little bit in here. We're not gonna measure it because who cares? And we're gonna take just a little bit of garlic powder. We're going to whisk that together. You can use this as a marinade to soak your chicken in overnight if you want to. But we're just gonna pour it over our chicken in a crock pot. Save us some time. We ain't got all night to be eating, y'all. We wanna eat now. Let's give it a quick stir. This is what our little marinade is looking like. We're gonna come back up here to our chicken. It is done. It is browned on both sides. That's what we want. We don't want it fully cooked. We're gonna get ready to put this in our crock pot. We're gonna pour our marinade over it, and we're gonna put some barbecue sauce on that thing and pineapples, and we're gonna wait to go to Hawaii. So let's get to it, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we have our chicken in our crock pot. We're gonna take that marinade and pour it on in there. We're gonna take those leftover crushed pineapples that we got our juice from. Put that on in there. And we're going to take some of that hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce. And we're gonna pour that all over it. I'm gonna use about half of the barbecue sauce. You could also use all of it. We just want to cover it. We're gonna let the crock pot do its thing. So we're gonna let this cook on high for about 2.5 to 3 hours, and we'll be back to check on our trip to Hawaii, y'all. All right. Okay, y'all, it has been 2.5 hours. Our chicken is looking good and done. We went ahead and turned this off. We're gonna let this cool and we're gonna enjoy this chicken. Y'all look at that seasoning that's still on that chicken. Brown coloring on the marinade and the barbecue sauce. Y'all, it's gonna be so good. Pair this with some rice. And I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. This is another episode of MK's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.